How to fix How-toUninstall Dynasty controller / gamepad not working issue. 1. Reboot your system. 2. Remove. Then reconnect your controller / gamepad to your device. 3. Disconnect additional yet unused USB / Bluetooth devices from your device. 4. For PC players, disable HID compliant controllers with Device Manager. 5. Disable Steam. Input. Refer to the IMG below. 6. Configure your controller / gamepad in Steam. 7. For Xbox controller users, install the Xbox Accessories app on your Windows. 8. For PS controller viewers, learn how to use the DS4 Windows app at https://ds4-windows.com. 9. Verify the game files in Steam. 10. Play the How-toUninstall Dynasty game through Steam's Big Picture mode. 11. Uninstall. Then reinstall the game.